Exploring how fat tissue shapes health across a lifetime. For decades, fat tissue was treated as little more than the body's storage cupboard, a place where excess calories were tucked away for later use. But research from Dr. Jamie Rausch, assistant professor of nursing at Indiana University, is helping to overturn that simplistic view. Fat, or adipose tissue, is now understood to be one of the body's most active and influential biological systems, constantly sending chemical signals that shape metabolism, inflammation, and long-term health. At the center of this hidden communication network are two hormones produced by fat cells, leptin and adiponectin. These molecules help regulate appetite, energy use, and the body's inflammatory response. When they are in balance, the body can maintain a relatively stable metabolic state. But when that balance breaks down, the consequences can ripple throughout the body for years. Leptin normally tells the brain that enough energy has been stored, helping to reduce hunger. Yet in people with excess adipose tissue, leptin levels often become chronically high. Instead of improving regulation, this can lead to leptin resistance, where the brain stops responding properly to the hormone's signals. Appetite increases, metabolism becomes strained, and the cycle can contribute to further weight gain. Adiponectin acts almost like leptin's counterpart. It improves insulin sensitivity and helps calm inflammation. Strangely, however, adiponectin levels tend to fall as adipose tissue increases. According to research discussed by Dr. Rausch, this imbalance may provide an important clue about disease risk. Scientists often examine the leptin to adiponectin ratio, which may serve as an early indicator of chronic inflammation and metabolic dysfunction. This matters because inflammation is not always obvious. Acute inflammation helps the body heal after injury or infection, but chronic low-grade inflammation can quietly damage tissues over time. Dysregulated adipose tissue releases inflammatory molecules into the bloodstream, contributing to conditions such as type 2 diabetes, cardiovascular disease, and even certain cancers. One of the most striking aspects of Dr. Rausch's work is its emphasis on the bigger picture. Adipose tissue dysregulation is not simply the result of individual choices. It is shaped by a lifetime of influences, including stress, diet, physical activity, aging, and socioeconomic conditions. Limited access to healthy foods, chronic financial stress, and environmental pressures can all increase the body's allostatic load, the cumulative wear and tear caused by chronic stress. This broader perspective shifts the conversation about health away from blame and toward prevention. By identifying hormonal imbalances earlier, researchers hope to detect disease risk before serious illness develops. Understanding fat is about far more than body weight. It's about understanding how the body responds to its environment and how those responses shape health across an entire lifetime.